All right, mathematicians, time to grab those whiteboards, and you actually do not need your whiteboard unless you would like to follow along with me. I'm going to be reviewing something quickly on mine. You can do that with me, or you can just watch if you'd like, okay? However, you will need your math book turned to the lesson 25 problem set, okay? You should see a number 1 at the top. If you don't see the number 1, then you might not be on the right page. We have 2 pages here in our lesson 25 problem set that look very similar, so make sure you are on the one that has the number 1 at the top. Okay, lesson 25, grab that with a pencil and have it nearby ready to go. Pause now if you need to go get those supplies, or stay with me here if you are ready to rock. Our I can statement today, and what we want to be able to do by the end of today's lesson, is using a strategy to add tens and ones. Okay, you can read with me if you'd like. I can use a strategy to add tens and ones. We've been practicing. Today you're going to solidify those skills and show your teacher that you can do this all on your own now. I can use a strategy to add tens and ones. Okay, the way you will show your teacher that you know how to do that is by submitting your exit ticket today on Seesaw. Okay? So, why don't we go ahead and get started? Yesterday with Miss Combs, you reviewed 2 strategies. You reviewed a number bond strategy, okay, and you reviewed quick draw. So, over here I'm going to label number bond strategy, okay, quick draw strategy. We also call quick draw quick tens and ones. Okay, there we go. Let's take a peek at an example of each of them again. All right, if we are doing the number bond strategy, and let's say we have a problem like 28 plus 11 equals something, okay? We want to figure out what 28 plus 11 equals. Here's what we do. Do you remember? We want to split up the teen number first. So, is 28 a teen number, or is 11 the teen number? Yes, 11 is. Okay, it has 10 in it. That's why we call it a teen. Teen and 10. Hear the similarity? And 11 is a 10 and 1, 1. So 10 and 1 is 11. There's our number bond. Now, this is not the whole strategy. You cannot show this in your work and expect to be all done. Okay, you then have to write those number sentences that go with it. Remember, we pull this 10 out to help us quickly add 10 to our other number. So let's go ahead and do that. Writing our first number sentence, we're going to take 28 plus, 10 equals, well, if we have the number 28 and we add one more 10, then we will have 3 tens, 8, right? Yes. So we added that 10. Now we need to add what's left. Okay, 38 was our answer. We bring it on down. Plus what's left here is 1 equals 39. So 28 plus 11 equals 39. Okay, again, I'm doing this on my board as review for you to watch. If you feel so motivated and you want to do it with me, you can, but you do not have to be. You can just go ahead and watch. We're going to go ahead and show quick draw strategy one more time before we get started in our book. Let's say we had 22 plus 18, and we want to know the answer to that. If I'm using the quick draw strategy by drawing tens and ones, I first draw my first addend. Okay, so I need to look at how many tens, how many ones. I have 22 That means 2 10s. Remember, a 10 is like this, a line, straight line down. It represents 1 row of 10 cubes. That's what this line represents, okay? So we need 2 10s, 10, 20, and 2 1s, 21, 22. Okay? Notice how I'm doing it neatly. I'm kind of doing it under the number. It's possible. And then I have 22. I need to add how many? 18. You got it. So 18 has 1 10 and 8 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Now, we take a look at our 10s. We take a look at our 1s. We figure out how many we have all together. I see 2 1s and 8 1s. Ooh, I know something special about 2 and 8. I wonder if you do too. We can go ahead and look at those 1s. We have 8 and 2. That makes what, first graders? 8 and 2 makes a 10. Oh boy, I gotta circle it up. Whoop. Circle it up. We made 10, right? As I can see right here, since I did nice neat rows of 5, if I put 2 more here, which I have over here, I made a 10. So, let's count up our total. 10, 20, 30, and we circled another 10, which is 40. So, this is your review of our number bond strategy and our quick draw strategy. Okay? You get to choose today as we practice which one you want to use. We're only going to do a few together in the math book today, and you're going to get to do the rest on your own in Seesaw. The directions say to use number bonds, but boys and girls, you get to choose your strategy today, okay? We have practiced both of them quite a bit, and so today we are giving you the option. You can use the quick draw strategy or the number bond strategy. So here's what I will do. I will go through each of the problems as both, but you only choose one to do, okay? I will go through each as both strategies, I should say. You choose one strategy to do, not just one problem. You're going to do all 4 of these problems with me. Why don't we go ahead and get started with letter A. It says 11 plus 14. I want you to pause the video, solve this problem using your strategy, and then you can check your work with mine when you push play. Okay, if you're pushing play, you should have your answer already finished, or you're super stuck and you need some help. For 11 plus 14 in my number bond strategy, I broke up the number 11 into 10 and 1. Now, it would still be okay if you broke up 14 into 10 and 4, as long as you still do your calculations correct. So I'm taking my other number, 14, plus my easy 10 equals 24. 24 plus what's left, which is 1, equals 25. If I used a picture, I see that I accidentally added too many 1s to my number 14. Okay, I drew 11, 10, and 1, and I drew 14, 10, and 4. Okay, if I add 1s, I have 1, and 4 1s is 5, and 2 10s I see, so 25 should be your answer no matter what strategy you used. All right, good work. Go ahead, let's do letter B. Pause, do your work showing one of the strategies, then push play to check. All right, here we go. For letter B, we used a number bond strategy, broke up our teen number 14 into 10 and 4. I took my other number, 21, added my easy 10. 21 plus 10 equals 31. Bring it on down. 31 plus what's left, which was 4, okay, equals something. If I have 1, 1, and 4 1s, kind of like in my picture over here. 1 1 and 4 1s. That gives me 5 1s and 3 10s. 35. In my picture, I also see 5 1s and 3 10s. 35, or 3 10s 5. Good work. We will do these next 2 before you finish the rest on Seesaw. Pause and solve letter C, 14 plus 15, using your strategy of choice. Here for letter C, I have my number bond strategy here. I have my quick draw strategy here. Okay, for quick draw, I drew my 14, 1 10 4, and I drew 15, 1 10 5. Okay. If you did number bond strategy, you split up one of your teen numbers and you added 15 plus 10 gives me 25. Now if you split up 15 and you started with 14 plus 10, then that's okay too. Remember, since you have 2 teen numbers, you can choose which one you'd like. Now I have 25 plus 4. I can use the count on strategy to figure this out. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Let's see if my quick drawing agrees with me. 1, 2 10s, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 1s. 2 10s, 9 is 29. Great work. All right, last one we're going to do together, and then it's up to you to practice the rest on Seesaw. Go ahead and do letter D. Pause this video, then check your work when you're finished by pushing play. All right. Hopefully you're only pushing play because you have your work done and you're going to check your answer with me. For our number bond number sentences, we have 26 plus 10 equals 36, and 36 plus 4 equals something. All right. If we have a picture or quick draw strategy, we have 2 10s, 6 1s, and we have 1 10, 4 1s to show 26 and 14. Okay, I have 6 1s and 4 1s. Ooh, 6 and 4 make, oh, Mrs. Garris, make a 10. Okay, so 36 and 4, 36, 37, 38, 39. That made a new 10. It gave me 40, right? 10, 20, 30, 40 is our answer there. All right? Good work, mathematicians. This is how we use a strategy to add 10s and 1s. Now your job is to go to Seesaw and finish. There are 4 practice problems for you to continue working on. And then there is another page in your Seesaw activity that is your exit ticket. So make sure you do both of those. And make sure you are using a strategy. Show the strategy that you like the most. You get to choose today. You do not have to do both of these. You just have to choose one that you like. All right? Happy mathing!